चलो, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। प्यार ना पंज मूल मंत्र का पाठ करते हैं। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत आजुनी सैभं प्रसाद। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत आजुनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत आजुनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत आजुनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। सो बेनती है सारे अपने वीडियो कैमरा ऑन कर दियो, so if you can kindly switch on your video camera, so it's nice to interact, so you can see and I can pick people to share their विचार, so मैंने भी सौखा हो जाएगा। so जिन्ना ने अपने reflection लिखी सी on the part of the Mool Mantra that we did last week, if you can kindly raise your hand. Even if you raise your hand, you can also put your hand upon the this button. ਉੱਤੇ ਜੇ ਬਟਨ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈਂਡ ਅਪ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਜੇ ਜਿਸਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਟਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੱਥ ਖੜਾ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਜਗਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ, ਅਮਤੋਜ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਬਾਕੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ। हैंड ਲੱਭਦੇ ਆ ਜੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈਂਡ ਦੂਜੇ ਹੈਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਗਰ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੱਥ ਖੜਾ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਕਰੀਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਥੋੜੇ ਕਿ ਦਿਸਦੀਆਂ ਆ, ਉਹ 'ਚ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੱਧ ਰਿਹਾ, ਕੋਈ ਵੱਧ ਵੀ ਰਿਹਾ, ਕੋਈ ਘੱਟ ਵੀ ਰਿਹਾ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਸੋ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਬਸ 2 ਜਣੇ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਬਾਕੀ ਛੁੱਟੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਸੀ। ਚਲੋ, no one else, ਬਾਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ। ਸਟਾਰ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਸੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਵੀਕ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਹਰਨੂਰ ਕੌਰ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਾਮ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕਰੋ। ਹੁਣ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਆ, ਬੈਠਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ, ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਲਈ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ। ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇਸ no wonder why sometimes I don't get a response, huh? So make sure the name is actually yours. So when I'm saying the person's name, ਉਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਸੀ, ਨਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਡੈਡੀ ਦਾ ਸੀ, ਬੈਠੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੜਕੀ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਡੈਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ। So okay, so only 2 people raised it out। ਚਲੋ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਤੇ ਚੈਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਆ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਖਾਲਸੇ ਫਤਿਹ, my kids only 4 years old, they're just listening। ਠੀਕ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, no problem, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ। ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ, who wants to start then to share? ਅਮਤੋਜ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, you want to share?
Okay. Do I share my reflection?
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਕਿ ਜਪਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੂਲ ਮੰਤਰ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਔਰ ਦਿਖਾਇਓ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿਓ। ਸਕਰੀਨ ਪੁੱਠੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਓਕੇ, ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ। ਚਲੋ, ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ।
I can actually change the screen.
ਅੱਛਾ, ਦੇਖੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ।
Is it better now?
Oh, very good. Okay, shabash. Okay, nice. Okay. Hanji, put this surround of it. What's your reflection, Hanji? So for the meanings, we've gone from, most of us who know the meanings is what how I can learn from it. How can I put it into my life? Hanji, shabash.
So, you see, one and all, I should not lie and speak truth. Make the wrong right, no matter the consequences. Don't hate anyone, but you can hate their doings.
Shabash, very good. Shabash. And the ਹੋਰ ਕੌਣ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ? Somebody else had their hand up as well. ਬੰਦੇ ਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। ਕੌਣ ਹੋਰ ਕੌਣ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੱਥ ਖੜਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ? No one. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਸਦੇ ਤਾਂ 5 ਬੰਦੇ ਹੀ ਆ। ਚਲੋ ਭਾਈ ਜਸਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਦਿਸਦਾ? ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਿਸਦੇ ਆ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਜੀ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। ਅੱਛਾ
ਐਨੀਬਡੀ ਐਲਸ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ? ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ? ਚਲੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ। ਓਕੇ ਜੀ, ਸੋ ਮੂਵਿੰਗ ਔਨ ਦੈਨ। So as a quick recap, ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਸੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ which I came to my mind, I thought it'd be nice to share. See, so ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿਓ, I will be asking questions afterwards. Okay, ਇੱਕ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ there's 3 lines ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸੇ ਇੱਕ is the number 1 ਓੰਕਾਰ is ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ the letter ura ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖੁੱਲਾ ਆ plus कार is the line which goes further on, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। Be careful, some people misspell this, especially wedding cards। ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਪਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ they're selling various things with ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ on is just a ਖੁੱਲਾ ura, and they've stopped the tail part which is called कार, that's pretty much doesn't exist, and even the Jira Uravia is sometimes being misspelled, perhaps intentionally, to look more like Om. Anybody seen this? Acha. Idda karo, 1 minute wait karo, main ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦਾ। So if you just hold on and then share screen ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ expose ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ? Oh, it's been paused.
ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੀ?
Oh, 1 minute. Let me just go up. Hold on. Oh, let me just pause the. Oh, found it. Pause share. ठीक है जी. फिर मैं. Oh, सतनाम. Hanji. So I'm just gonna. So this is something which all of us need to be aware of. How खास करके इंडिया तो, and we all know sadly there's everybody wants to chaddi kala Sikhi, and without us even knowing, we're sharing these things, we're putting these things upon our gurdware. Asi ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ that there's anything wrong with what's been with any of this?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਪਿਕਚਰ?
ਮੈਂ ਲੱਭ ਰਿਹਾ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ।
ਅੱਛਾ
ਮੈਂ ਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ,
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਬਸ ਲੱਭਣ ਲੱਗਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਤਨਾਮ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਲੱਭ ਲਿਆ ਜੀ, ਹਾਂ ਓਕੇ। And just going to share in a few seconds the screen. So what you're going to see on the screen is different ways Ik Onkar is being written. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen now. It's going to be this one. Saran desta bachche, theek hai? Gurmukhi da mool swaroop kis tarah is being changed, how Gurbani is being changed. Okay, sir ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ, sir ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ। Okay, anybody notice what's wrong? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮਨਰਾਜ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ।
The 1 looks like a 9.
Okay, well done. ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਜੀ? Anybody else? You can raise your. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੀ ਸੀਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕੀਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਹੈ? Both. अच्छा तो ये both ही है। अच्छा दोस्तों जी।
So the 1 does look like a 9, and they're not both joined.
अच्छा, they're not. Oh, okay. They're not both joined. Although I think when you're doing lurry war, there should be perhaps closer, so you might say, Anji. And somebody else raised their hand. Amatod Singh.
So ਜਿਹੜਾ ura ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦਾ like ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋੜਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ it's not like going in that far, like it's really.
Oh, you mean it's called car? ठीक है, the car part's not going that far. The tail part.
And the ik is all like shaped at a different angle.
Okay, it's in a different shape. Okay. And last one, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ already ਕਹਿ ਚੁੱਕੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਬਾਕੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪ੍ਰਭਜੀਵਨ ਸਿੰਘ and Japa Harkaur ji.
The ik and the omkar are not connected.
ਅੱਛਾ, ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਨੋਟ ਨਹੀਂ, ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਬਾਰੇ ਆ, ਇੱਕ ਬਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ।
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਊੜਾ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੈਂਟ ਆ,
ਅੱਛਾ ਤੇਜਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਆ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੀ ਗਿਆ?
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਊੜਾ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਵਾਲਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਆ ਉਹ ਬੈਂਟ ਆ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ।
Oh, अच्छा. Oh, there's something more serious. हाँ जी हरनूर कौर
ਪ੍ਰਭਨੂਰ ਕੌਰ।
ਪ੍ਰਭਨੂਰ ਕੌਰ ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਊੜੇ ਦਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ।
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਪੁੱਤ, ਕੋਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਕਵਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। Anybody ਚਾਹ ਕਨ ਹੱਥ ਪ੍ਰਭ, if you already put your hand up then down ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, otherwise ਅੱਛਾ ਇਹ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਡਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ, it should be connected, it looks like a 3 ਤਿੰਨ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਆ, and you realize ਇਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਓਕੇ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਨ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇਈਓ। ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਕੁਛ ਲੱਗਾ ਕੁਛ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ? ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਗੂਗਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਇੱਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ and this comes up। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਹਿਜ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ।
ਊੜਾ
is that normal? Is it not normal? What's wrong with it?
the order is not normal. It's a bit like curvy and it's not
Okay, the ura is not the onkar is not normal, it's very curvy. Sirat Kaur hanji, you want to unmute yourself. You not unmute yourself, Sirat Kaur. No, you've changed your mind. Acha. Harjas Kaur, were you going to say something?
The ura isn't like, it doesn't look normal. Like it's not like even close to like jada ura like normally likhte aapa. It's too
Acha,
curvy.
theek hai. Okay. Har Kaur ji, Prabh Jeevan Singh ta Harjap Kaur hai hanji.
The
Hanji.
ura doesn't look normal and they're not connected again.
ਅੱਛਾ ਚਲੋ ਹੋਰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ then if there's something new to say add to that। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਸ਼ਾਬਾਸ਼। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇਜਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ।
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬੈਂਟ ਆ ਥੱਲਿਓ, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ
I don't think that's a very big issue, but there are sometimes ਇੱਕ ਅੱਛਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ, ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ why is happening। next picture ਦੇਖੋ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੋਈ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਰਬਾਰਕ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ looks like a tata instead of like it's connected, it's not connected.
Okay, anybody else notice something? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਰਕੀਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਸੀਰਤ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ।
The one is like the ik is not like properly written. Like it's like
Well done. The one ikajira is not properly written. Somebody's written in the chat box. Let me see, read out what they've written in the chat box. So Benji Sargunjot Kaurji says Hindu Om indicates the three Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, indicates the world is run by three gods or lords. Instead, the Sikh believe in Ek Onkar indicates one God and star which says God is one. Hanji. So this, if you note, is actually the Om sign, which is the Hindu sign representing three gods. And if you look at the Ek Bharatiyana, actually it represents is actually supposed to be symbolic of something, the shape of that ik. It reminds us of something. But David, by Jaspreet Singh, pata laga ji?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ।
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ, ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰਲੀ?
ਇਹ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ, ਬਟ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਜੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ।
ਓਕੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਹਰਬਾਰਕ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ
ਇਹ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਾ ਇੱਕ
ਥੋੜਾ ਹੋਰ ਡੀਪ ਜਾਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਹੁਣ। why would this because the motivation Onkar has been changed to Om, can you say, from a Sikhi has been changed to the Hindu symbol to Om, and then so we're going to go the theme with somebody is trying to add a Hindu influence onto Ek Onkar. So achal vich jehda ek hai, bar dhyan ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਸਾਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ bar dhyan ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ, look at that shape, is actually it resembles a cow's leg, गां दी लत्त, because Hindus believe the cow is their sacred mother.
Is it
So,
Gaumata or whatever?
Gau Mata. So we respect all religions, respect all people. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੀ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਤੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਪਰ we have to, where Sikhi is being changed, where Sikhi is being distorted, we have to make notice of that and we have to challenge this. ठीक है जी? So Bashake, these are small number of people doing this, whether this is being done from particular powerful groups, or we still have to challenge this. Like I say, it does not represent the all. अपने बहुत सारे अपने जरे हिंदू बड़े बाणी पढ़ते बहुत सोना बहुत respect करते हैं, but these are small number of people who are changing Sikhi and trying to distort Sikhi by hopefully they're hoping that Sikhi by changing it that Sikhi khatam ho jayegi, but the more is where we should be aware of this is happening before. And bahut sare bande main calendar vi da dekhe gurdwara ch tange a ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਪਰੀਮ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਦੇ on their logo they've got this type of Ek Onkar. So is when I went to New Zealand, I mentioned it in the talk, many people have been looking at this poster right in the middle of the Darbar Sahib with the big logo and no one even noticed. So notice karan wale galla hai how these things are happening. It's okay, next picture. ये तो हो रही हम पता लग गया हॉर्न मतलब this is first of all it's a gradual changing of Ek Onkar. हॉर्न तो blatant हो गया, is that now it's just basically they're not even bothering to cover themselves up. They go, what's the point? Let's just Shariam, let's just go straight out and try to change Ek Onkar. So you can see that the Om sign, they basically literally just changed Ek Onkar there too. It's a question mark. Prabh Jeevan Singh ji, Om, it's a question mark. You see, Om no question mark nahi mere ko pata. I don't know what you mean. It looks like a question mark.
ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਿਛਲਾ ਇੱਕ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਾਲਾ ਬਲੈਕ ਕਲਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਿ ਲੁਕਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਅ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਮਾਰਕ।
Oh, I see. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, okay, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, very good, okay. ਆ ਵੀ ਆ ਹਨਾ, so you can see ਇਹ ਆ these are ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ। Again you can see how it links into the Hindu symbol. ठीक है, question mark was for the last one, disconnected. अच्छा ठीक है जी। So oh, Vaheguru, Satnam. So I'm just going to go to, oh, Vaheguru, for some reason, it's separate internet, Vaheguru. So, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ Ek Onkar, how it is written, supposed to be, and what's being written. There's groups which are funded to undermine Sikhi, to infiltrate Sikhi, known as the RSS. So every religion we respect. But you never hear that within Sikhi we have a branch, a Christian branch, which we're going to interfere with Christianity. You'll never hear of, for example, Sikhi has within Sikhs, within Akal Takht, we've got a special branch for Buddhism where we are going to interfere and basically tell Buddhists what their religion is. But unfortunately, this is happening. RSS is a group, which a Hindu group funded by the government or linked to the government, who is decided to have a Sikh branch. They've got a Sikh branch, and in that Sikh branch, they've decided that we're going to tell Sikhs what Sikhi is and interfere with Sikhi and interfere with Sikh matters. So it's but it's something you need to all be aware of, because within your lifetime, you need to notice these things, challenge these things, and preserve the purity of Sikhi. Sikhi's purity is within your own hands. That we have to look after these things. So notice so you go back to the Ek Onkar. Okay, so going back to the Onkar. So the Onkar, one way of understanding is just a interpretation. It's not the interpretation, it's a way of understanding, one way. So in Onkar, there are 3 lines. If you go from the bottom to shuru karo. 1, there's 2, and 3 lines. Onkar. In the Uda, there's 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Top of the which curve here. Now, a nice way you can understand this, bottom part here, the bottom part, the Vaheguru Ji, the one Vaheguru Ji, he exists in the water. Pani de vich, Jal. And then the next line is going to represent, anyone guess?
Tarti.
Tarti, shabash. Jal, thal. Thathe the naal, thal. Jal, thal. The water, the land. And the third line is going to represent?
Akash.
Shabash. So that is the sky. And then, so this is creation to show us that Ekwankar's presence is within the creation. Ekwankar is within, is present within me and you. However, the upper Kullaya, Ura Kullaya, Oankar is open, and anyone can try to give an explanation, as an explanation, not the explanation of why it might be open, considering what we're going. Jo assi galla karde a, fe Vaheguru Ji pani vich vi hai, Vaheguru Ji dharti te hai, Vaheguru Ji kaash vich hai, Vaheguru Ji is in the water, Vaheguru Ji is on the land, Vaheguru Ji is in the sky. So why might we be open now? Hanji, any ideas, any takers? Hanji, Amatosh Singh Ji.
Vaheguru Ji is everywhere. Like,
everywhere, okay.
Because
anybody else? Kirat Kaur, Sirat Kaur, Hanji.
He is in everything, everyone, and
So, okay, think about the water, the land, and the sky. That is creation. Yeah, that's creation, isn't it? Vaheguru's created those things. And when it's open at the top, it gives a message that Vaheguru Ji is also beyond the creation. Vaheguru Ji is not just nature. Koi bande nahi ta karda, Vaheguru is nature. So yeah, so you know, as long as we be nice to nature, that's Vaheguru. No, Vaheguru Ji created nature. So Vaheguru Ji, even though his presence is in nature, he's outside of creation as well. So ek thode dhyan deo, ek example dein laga hai. Main razan thode sidhe ho ke baitho shabash. Acha, so imagine the sun and the rays. Sun, rays. Punjabi vich sun, suraj, the rays nu ki kende hai? Rays are called?
Kirna.
Kirna, shabash. Kaun sikh bole?
Abhijit Singh.
Acha, shabash. Suraj, the kirna, the sun and the rays. When we are in the house, the sun comes into our house, but it's actually not the sun. It's part of the sun, it's the rays. Kirna sade ghar chande, which bring the light of the sun to our house. Now the rays and the sun are separate, but they're part of the same. Isi tarah Vaheguru Ji is present in the creation. Vaheguru Ji is present within us and outside everywhere. However, this we cannot put full stop the Vaheguru Ji. Vaheguru Ji is above this as well, just like the sun. So when Vaheguru Ji outside the creation, we have a Sachkhand, jite Vaheguru Ji rande hai. So Vaheguru Ji is in the creation, but is also outside the creation. So is that okay? Will there be any questions so far? If you do, put it in the chat box. Anybody have got on chat box? Otherwise, we're going to move on. So, okay, seems like everybody's okay at the moment. Quick. So, oh, is this the one which I, let me see if that's the, oh, I see, it was the wrong one I was doing. So, next one is, presentation which let me sorry, is getting a few presentations mixed up. Let me get rid of that one. And this one up. Oh yeah, that was the one. Sorry, that was correct. Maaf karna Sangat ji, just had some technical issues there. It's ready to go now. Acha. So next was Satanam, which we talk about Vaheguru Ji's name meaning truth. Sat, there are three meanings there. Anybody know the three meanings of Sat? In the chat box, somebody knows. Okay, in note karan wale gal. Ek hunda Sat hunda ya number 7. Some people think Satanam, Vaheguru's got 7 names. No, Sat can mean 7. Sat can mean truth or true. And the last one is Sat, Satya, which means eternal, meaning always, never ending. Okay, so Satya, never ending. Sat can mean true or truth, and Sat can mean number 7. Yeah, so they're the 3 ones. So Vaheguruji's name is true, or you can say it's never ending, or you can say Vaheguru's name is the truth. Karta Purak, Vaheguruji is the creator, who's also his spirit or presence is everywhere. Asi kar chukke si, ta main kah nirpo nirvair kar chukke si, without fear and nirvair, without hatred. This, I think we got to this part. So we're now just going to move on with the which we got. So we did Ikwankar, the message. We did Satanam in the message. Kartapur. Itte main thoda ja rokna chahunda Kartapur ke bare thoda ja. We mentioned it last week. I just want to re-go over this. Okay. So Kartapur ke Vaheguruji is the creator. Vaheguruji is creative. That means we should not be. Hanji, anybody Prabhu Jeevan Singh?
Ashwini, मेरा बस what is it? मेरा कुछ हो गया सी.
Vaheguruji is the creator. What should we be then? No? Anybody?
Beggars?
Hanji?
Beggars?
Beggars?
No, because like ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ like Babaji gives us everything and he's the creator of everything. So do we,
Okay, I like it. Very good. The Asi Mangate reminds us humble. He is the creator, he is the giver as well. Like it. Very nice. Shabash. Acha. So if Vaheguruji's qualities are creative, he is the creator, a Sikh should not become destructive. A Sikh does not destroy people's life. He creates people, society, creates happiness in society. Okay, so we mentioned case rakhne, case not rakhne, looking after your case. That's part of Karta Purkh, respecting the creator as Vaheguruji's created us. So I मैं थोड़े को 2 चीजें मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ look at the pictures very carefully. ਬਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਪੂਰੇ ਕਾ ਕੀਆ ਸਭ ਕਿਛ ਪੂਰਾ, ਸਾਰੇ ਬੋਲੋ ਕੱਟ ਕਿਛ ਨਾਹੀ,
ਕੱਟ ਵੱਧ
ਕਿਛ
ਨਾਹੀ.
Very good. Acha, okay. Vaheguruji has made us perfect. Pure ka kiya, the perfect one has made us everything perfect. Kat, nothing is too little. Vad, nothing is too much. Kish nahi, kuch nahi, okay. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੋਟ ਕਰਿਓ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਦੇ ਫਰਸਟ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਕਈ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਟਰਬਿੰਗ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਬੀਬੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਈਬ੍ਰੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ people take off the hair on their arms, they take off the hair under their armpits, they take off hair on their legs, and ਕਈ ਬੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੈਡ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਰਹਿ ਕੀ ਗਿਆ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਈਬ੍ਰੋ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਈਬ੍ਰੋ ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਲੋਕੀ ਹੁਣ I remember when I was at school, I was teaching, and there was one of my students, they were non-Sikhs. Oh, kudi kandi, excuse me, Mr. Singh, do Sikh girls, do they shave their arms and their legs? No, they don't. We don't cut our hair. She was, really? And she was, like, that's disgusting. Then I look at you, do you shave your arms and legs? Do you shave your legs? Yeah. And I went, seriously, I shave my legs. Acha. I thought only girls do this. When I was in school, I was teaching, one of my students, he shaves his chest, he shaves his legs, he shaves his arms. And I said, why? He goes, oh, hair is disgusting. Why didn't you shave off your eyebrows then as well if hair is disgusting? He goes, oh, then he started thinking about it. It's amazing how the media, society, how people in magazines, in movies, have made us feel disgusted with our own body. Something which Vaheguru Ji in Gurbani calls case. Case means sarir da kaya da shangar, the decoration of the body. Case. What a beautiful name Gurbani uses for hair. Not ekata wal hunde ni, normal Punjabi wal. Case means the decoration of the body. Kini soni gall hai. Vaheguru ne sanu decoration kini soni diti ya, to kisi vaste it's disgusting. It's how we have been made to loathe or hate our own bodies. That's why so many children are depressed nowadays. So many children feel really, really, bad about how they look and what their natural body. So as Sikhs, we should always remember that we should be proud and celebrate what Vaheguru Ji has given us. ठीक है जी? ਅਸੀਂ Vaheguru ਦੀ body ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ look after ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, not destroy. Look after karna. Jira second picture ni, anyone know what the second picture is? Hanji Kirat Kaur, Sirat Kaur.
Someone shaved their legs and now they have like all these spots around their legs.
Very good. When you mess around with the nature, ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ nature, ਠੀਕ ਕੁਦਰਤ. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਨਾਲ ਛੇੜਛਾੜ ਕਰਦਾ, ਛੇੜਛਾੜ means you mess around. You're kind of trying to be clever. What happens is most of the time you'll find people end up screwing up or they end up making big mistakes and it comes back to them and they end up being very miserable. So AJD picture here is actually a skin rash, skin disease caused by shaving. If somebody shaves, if somebody is describing somebody with a shaven face, what's the usual term in which people use to describe person ਜਿਹਨੇ shave ਕੀਤੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ in English? Hanji Jagdeep Kaur?
Clean shaven.
Very good. Sorry, please make a note of this. ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣਿਓ. Clean shaven. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਆ. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੇਰਾ cousin ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ clean shaven ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. Oh yeah, I work with so-and-so and he is clean shaven. When we say the word clean shaven, what does that suggest that people who don't shave, what does that suggest about them? Anybody? Can you see where we're going? Hanji Jagdeep Kaur?
ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਮ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਾਫ਼ ਆ.
So it's people clean shaven, so all clean ਆ. ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਹੀਂ shave ਕਰਦੇ, the people who don't shave, Jagdeep?
They're dirty.
They're dirty. ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ psyche ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ these things we put into our minds, kind of being brainwashed to hating our own body, hating our own case. What next? We'll be hating our eyes, hating our arms, hating our legs. It's a pathway to depression, a pathway to self-hate, self-denial. So, asal which we should avoid saying clean shaven, because actually shaving is not very clean. If you look at the last picture, everybody, the last picture, dekho. This person is shaving. Does that look clean? Anyone notice?
No.
Haji Harkor?
No.
Jaharkor? Do you can see?
No.
He's bleeding because he's shaving.
Hanji. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੀਬੀਆਂ ਜਾਂ ਬੰਦੇ ਸ਼ੇਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, whether their arms, whether their legs, or whether this guy is doing his face, you basically, it's leading, and if you look on the neck, look towards the neck, there's loads of red spots where this poor guy is literally just, bleeding. Kinni bachara bleed kari janda hai. And if that's clean, God help us. So that's not clean, that's actually very dirty. So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਚਲੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ, ਪਰ as a Sikh ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ, and we are very proud and very thankful, should we say, rather than the word proud, that Guru Sahib has blessed us with this wisdom, that we love ourselves, love our body, and love what Vaheguru Ji has given us. Okay, moving on then. So the next one we mentioned was Karta Purkh, that we are not destructive in our nature. A Sikh does not destroy people's hearts. He wants to create love and a loving environment, not a destructive and painful and unnecessary suffering. So Gurbani says the following. We can look at all these pictures. You can see the cows actually crying. Animals have feelings. And do we really need to kill them to stay alive? Some people say, yeah, but we could, it's for survival. But hold on. If you don't have animals to kill, you can still stay alive. There's plenty of sabjiyan. So it's unnecessary killing. Okay. So if you look at the next picture, about what we eat. Okay. So I'll read, and if you can kindly mere piche bolyo. Baba hor khana khushi khwar.
Baba hor khana khushi khwar.
Jit khade tan peediya.
Jit khade tan peediya.
Man meh chale vikar.
Man meh chale vikar.
Shabash. So Gurbani says eating those things are false, those things are wrong, which is unhealthy for the body and is unhealthy for our mind. When we eat, when you kill an animal, they are scared. When somebody picks up a knife and walks towards an animal, they can sense danger and they get scared. So when we eat this, we are eating fear. Eating fear is not going to be very healthy for our mind. When we are eating this, they are actually crying out for their mother, crying out for their child, and we're eating that suffering. So these things don't help us to do Simran, and I think the whole world is now understanding that a meat diet is not good for your health. It's not good for your weight. It's not good for your heart. It creates cancer. And that's why even many non-Sikhs are becoming either vegans or vegetarians. Any questions that people are going along, put in the chat box so we can address them as we're going along. Everybody happy so far? Yes, no, shake. ठीक है अमरराज से भी तुसी लगदे क्लैप्स होन लग गए ठीक है अच्छा मैं पता नहीं क्लैप्स होन लग गए थे फिर कंप्यूटर पे डिगन लग गए अच्छा so next one, preserving purity is to make sure that Vaheguru Ji has given us our body to preserve and keep pure thoughts and the purity of our body. So this means that we do not have girlfriend or boyfriend. This means that we do not, other than getting married, have any relationships. Now, one thing is that many people could be in your school will have girlfriends and boyfriends. When you're watching TV, you will see these things. Today you're with somebody and then tomorrow with somebody else. And sometimes we feel, why doesn't our mom and dad let me have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Why can't I hold hands with somebody? Why can't I say to somebody, I love you, XXXXX on Instagram or on Facebook or on WhatsApp? Why can't I send love hearts to somebody and say, oh, lovely dovely, my lovely dovely, you know? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਲਵੀ ਡਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ I love you. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੀਬੀ ਬਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ love you. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਡੈਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਲਵੀ ਡਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹਾਰਟ ਭੇਜ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ WhatsApp ਤੇ ਜਾਂ email ਤੇ. But if somebody is not your sister, somebody is not your mother, somebody is not your bibi baba, someone not your mom and dad, then we don't send them love and ਏਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ. So Bani says, Nimak kaam swad karan. Bolo ji.
Nimak kaam swad karan.
Kot dinas dukh paave.
Kot dinas dukh paave.
Kari mohat rang maan hai.
Kari mohat rang maan hai.
Fir bohar pachutaave.
I
remember when I was a school teacher, there was one girl, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਿਸਕ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਹੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੈਠਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇੱਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੈਠੀ ਸੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਬੈਠੀ ਸੀ she's saying like this ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ excuse me she goes yes Mr. Sema can you please get on with your work ਉਹ ਰੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਈ she started to cry ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ my God I've never said anything ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕਿਹਾ do your work and she started crying. The girl saying this, I go, Mr. Singh. I go, yes. Please, don't say anything to her. I said, why? She needs to go in the work. She's broken up with her boyfriend. Look at her, you're like 12 years old. Like, hello. What bunch of nonsense है और की हो रहा है 12-year-olds having girlfriend boyfriend the baad ho rahe hai 11-year-olds boyfriend primary school ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ girlfriend boyfriend ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ because these things are being promoted in cartoons, these being promoted in television programs, serials, even adverts, and people think they need to do this to be cool, but it's not very cool. One thing is आप थोड़ा ध्यान दो सारी जो मैं थोड़ी deep गल है ते science ਦੀ ਗੱਲ है थोड़ा ध्यान दो pay attention. Your body ਜਿਹੜੀ body ਨਹੀਂ skin, your skin has memory, ਇਹਦੇ ਚ memory senses ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ memory. When you touch something, your body then remembers things, okay? So when you touch things and you remember.
Your DNA.
DNA is something different, I'm not sure I think it is, but meaning when you touch, your skin has memory cells. When you are holding hands with the people, in the wrong sense, and you're saying, I am yours, you are mine, you are my girlfriend, this, that, you're sharing your body with somebody, ਲੋਕੀ ਕਿਸਾ ਕੁਸਾ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੈਮਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਕਿਨਸ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਉਹ ਫੀਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ that this is your that basically that memory gets filled up. Then what happens is then people move on to somebody else, their memory then has to update. Then what happens, your memory becomes confused. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ skin ਦੀ memory becomes very confused. Then people say, I can't think, I feel stressed, I can't concentrate on Simran. You hello. Obviously, because you confuse your body. That's number one. Number two, when you are making girlfriend or boyfriend, these things stay in your mind. And then what happens is people get married to somebody else, and in their mind, they've got somebody else running around. It will not give you peace, it will give you pain. Barney is true. Barney says that just for a bit of pleasure, just to have a bit of a laugh, just to look a bit cool, you're gonna suffer, and not suffer one day, millions of days you will suffer. And that's what these relationships do. If we can very quickly look at these pictures and we move on. So these are the diseases caused when people basically do not live in a disciplined way of life. When people think that I'm going to copy what everybody else does on TV, and I'm going to basically go around and act in a wrong manner with another girl or a boy, this is a disease, mouth disease, which is being caused by having wrong relations. The second picture, pata kis ko kiya? Is a disease. What a disease is?
AIDS.
AIDS. AIDS. Your body basically shuts down, and this is caused when people are going from one person to other person. They're sharing bodies with one another and doing wrong things. ਇਹ normal ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੀਚ ਤੇ ਡਾਉਂਗੇ ਤੇ normal ਆ ਪਰ we are very blessed that Gurbani reminds us of how we should truly live, how we should live naturally as Vaheguru is intended. So ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ AIDS ਆ, this is what happens, they die tarf ke in pain. And the last one, the picture is referring to when we have these wrong relations, whether it's boys, girls and girls, boy and girl and whatever. These relationships which are not brother and sister or mother and father or daughter and parent relations, you are looking at somebody else in a way you'd not look at your sister or brother. This leads to, what's the picture saying, Harbarg Singh?
Grief.
Grief, heartbreak, suffering, pain. And this is what not sick should be having. Je pain lena, we get pain that we love Vaheguru. Not pain for some random person, which, okay? So, dard Vaheguru le hove, not for some, koi kudi munda hai baase, you have a quick fling with somebody in school, oh yeah, because my friend said so and this. It's sari cheeza. One thing is, there's no rewind button in life. Jindagi de vich, koi rewind button hai nahi. If you make a mistake, you can't go, okay, hold on, let me just go, let's go back, rewind, and then play, and I'll do something different. Sorry, is karke Maharaj ke aisa kam mule na kiche agge kiya jinhone Anand Sahib path pura karte hai
jit ant pachotaiya.
Shabash, well done. What's the meaning of this book?
don't do the things that you will regret in the end.
Very good. Life is not for regrets. One thing is something you didn't know and you end up doing it. Oh gosh, I should have done that. But imagine this is Gurbani and Guruji telling us this. These things, 4 things we should know because Guruji is telling us. Panj Pyare tell us, our parents tell us. So there's no excuse because Guruji said, hello, don't do this, don't go, there's a no end, it's a dead end, there's a no entry. And you still go into no entry, still go into a dead end. And then you go, oh, I've fallen off a cliff. I'm dead now, or, I've hurt myself. I'm like, hello. So Gurbani is telling us, your parents are telling you, the Sangat is telling you, Sikhi is telling us that these are no entry signs. If you do these things, you end up regretting. Don't regret, because there's no button. So make sure we tread wisely in life, especially your age. At primary school ta chalo cut hunda odo main dekhe to primary school look on karna look lipstick apnaun lag paya and hath karan lag niyaane. More in secondary school, people will look at you, oh, you don't have a girlfriend, oh my gosh, you don't have a boyfriend, oh my gosh, she doesn't have a boyfriend. Look at the people have 2 or 3. There's nothing to be embarrassed about. Like I said, when the girl said to me, oh my gosh, you see girls, they don't shave. Oh my God, that's disgusting. Then oh, you're disgusting. Why should we have somebody tell us that we are disgusting when we are following beautiful thinking, beautiful way of life? So never let anybody else make you think any different. Stay strong, judge. So moving on, the last one, treating body as a Gurdwara. Gurdwara de vich koi sharab pee sakda? No.
No.
Smoke kar sakda?
No.
Jhoot bol sakda Gurdwara ch?
Nahi.
Can you speak to your mom and dad like, oi, oi, mom, shut up, mom. Can you say that in the Gurdwara?
No.
किसने कोट देना होते गुरुद्वारे किसने सिंह ने जौहर किसने तू तो बोलता अपने मम्मी नु ज्ञानी जी ने कहना कुछ. If the behavior in the Gurdwara, Gurbani tells us that this building is not a Gurdwara, the whole world is a Gurdwara. The word used is Mandir, Har Mandir, the house of God. Har Mandir है वो शरीर है, ज्ञान रत्न प्रकट हुए. Har Mandir, सारे बोलो Har Mandir. यो शरीर है इन्ना कैसी ले लेंगे इन्ना चेते करना. हरमंदिर साहब है ना, we think of Harmandir Sahib, we go to Amritsar. The Gurbani tells us your body is Harmandir Sahib as well. When we go to Harmandir Sahib, who do we go to see? Who is there in Harmandir Sahib? Jagdeep Kaur?
Guru Granth Sahib.
Guru Granth Sahib ji, ठीक है. इतना तो नहीं बाहरों सेल्फी खिंच के a few we suddenly leave, we go inside and we do matha take. Yeah, we do matha take and we bow ourselves and get the blessings of the Guru, Guru Ram Das Ji, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji. So if Guruji is telling us that our body is Harmandir as well, that means inside of us, Guruji is inside of us as well. And just like in a Gurdwara, you have different apartments. In a Gurdwara, you have a langar hall. Like you can imagine the body. Our body, we eat food, it goes in and we store the food. And so you can see it's like a Gurdwara. Just like in a Gurdwara, you have the Darbar Sahib, or the place where everybody does the part and Simran and we connect with Bani. In English, people say the prayer hall. So that's a separate part of the Gurdwara within the complex. Similar, this is, there are the Dasam Upparya on top of my head. This is the place where we connect with the Bani and with Simran, and this is where our soul experiences Vaheguruji. At the top of a Gurdwara, what do you find? At the top of a Gurdwara, how do you know it's a Gurdwara, the shape of a Gurdwara? Building, the shape, Gurdwara building, how do you know it's a Gurdwara? Gurdwara buildings on the top have a dome. Dome in Punjabi ch kande a
Gummat.
Gummat, shabash. Gummat. So Gummat hundiya, Gummat means dome, yeah? Dome hundiya. And the dome, So think of our Harmandir. What's our Gummat? Amatoz Singh? Very good. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜੂੜਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੁੰਮਤ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਆ ਜੀ, ਇਹ ਚੇਤੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਆ। ਹੁਣ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ just I'm taking a bit of a side step and then we'll come back to ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ topic ਆ। Does that make sense to everybody? Our body is like a gurdwara, shaped like a gurdwara. You've got the dome, the gummat, the Darbar Sahib, where we have Maharaj Darshan, where we see Vaheguru Ji, we connect with Bani, theek hai ji? And then we have jitte langar, and so on. So a body jera that this is designed like a gurdwara. So just like in a gurdwara, how you treat a gurdwara sahib, how you would behave in Harmandir Sahib, that's how we should be behaving. What a beautiful teaching Guru Sahib's given us. On make a cheat then we probably just stop just for some questions. Acha, dhyan ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣੋ ਸਾਰੇ। Once I was in prison doing a class in jail with prisoners, ਆਪਣੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ, and during the class, one prisoner, he was like a gangster type, he had, you know, tattoos, tattoo lagi si bechare de, and like a big beard, and he said to me, he goes, Gyani ji, if Harmandir Sahib got attacked again, like it was attacked in 1984 by the Indian Army, I would go there and I would be willing to die to defend and protect Harmandir Sahib. And I said, oh, okay. All the other lads who were like this, and you can imagine, you know, one or two of them had earrings and tattoos, and they go as well. And they, Hanji, assi bhi ladoge, assi bhi utte jaake shahidiyan denge. We go there and we will die. We would, during our lifetime, we would never allow Harmandir Sahib to be attacked and disrespected. And they said, Chalo, we weren't either born or we were very young when in 1984 it was attacked. But if it happened during our lifetime, we wouldn't allow it. Oh, okay, interesting. So then I shared with them what I just shared with you. I said, Bani says, what was the line? Key line mein share ki thi todna. Har chete reh gaye, bhuli gaye.
Harmandir sareer hai.
Ye wo sareer hai. Chete aa gaye us vakya nu. Harmandir ye wo sareer hai. This body is Harmandir Sahib. So main hun munnu puchhe, main kya Bani te eh kehndi hai, chalo I respect your sentiments, I respect how you have so much love and respect for Harmandir Sahib, and you know that's commendable. I said, can I say, Bani says Harmandir ye sareer hai. Ida kariye, is any one of you, are you willing for Guru to give up smoking? A lot of them actually smoke. And they're like, oh. Any one of you are willing to give up drinking sharab? Any one of you willing to stop cutting your case? Stop cutting your hair? And then when I explained Harmandir sareer hai, that it's very good that we say that we get very upset when somebody disrespects the Gurdwara Sahib, but we should have the same pain when we disrespect ourselves, our own body as well. If we disrespect, yeah. So just like the Indian army, they destroyed the Gummat of Akal Takht Sahib, is blown up, and sanu kinna dukh laga. That pain must be felt by Guru Gobind Singh Ji when we take off our dastar and our Gummat, our jura on top of our head, it goes. Gummat side te nahi hunda. Gummat is always like this. It's not on the side of a building like this. Note kare. So dekho Guru Gobind Singh Ji, when he gave us a jura, he didn't have it on the side or the back like this. Jura, Gummat, idda. बड़ी प्यारी गल है, ठीक है जी, ये चीजें चेते रखनियां है। अच्छा, so treating body as a temple of God, ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਆ, ਨਸ਼ੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੇ, ਨਸ਼ੇ, intoxicants, ਤੰਬਾਕੂ, ਸ਼ਰਾਬ, ਕੋਈ ਆ drug ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ which is non-medicinal, and tobacco is a no-go, no entry. आओ सारे पीछे बोलो, अंतर बेख बाहर निबराती, आजम करे खुआरी, बिक की हुंदा बच्चे? anyone know बिक means? हाँ जी,
जहर, poison.
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 Barak कौन बोले ना 10वीं तो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ पिक्चर नहीं दिसदा
Barak, poison.
poison शाबाश अंतर inside you put poison आ देखो poison सारे देख लो poison is that what takes away life alcohol takes people's life away tobacco takes people's lives away marijuana cannabis takes people's lives away it destroys people's lives it destroys relationships it destroys people's homes it destroys people's financial their wealth and all the opportunities in life it destroys it poison ya Guruji says that outside we pretend to be happy chappy about all being very much I'm relaxed and I'm enjoying myself inside we're putting poison who on earth in the right mind would celebrate or be happy taking poison and that's what people do when there's a wedding party when there's people functions people are drinking sharab giving sharab to people even selling sharab and being very carefree we are being happy Guruji says it's ki happy wali gal liya ta jam kare khwari instead when we have poison eventually poison's going to lead to it's going to lead to death and that's why if you hopefully you don't need to look at the cigarette packet but I'm sure you either see them on posters or on adverts when you're on a packet of cigarettes so ki likhya hunda hai
The types of cancers that smoking can cause.
Very good. On cigarette packets, it talks about the different cancers. And it says smoking will kill you. फिर भी लोग की करी जाते हैं. On of the किसी ने कह दे I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. दा कोई कह दे. What do people do?
They run away, like call, help.
Call the cops. Call the police. Excuse me. Someone tried to kill me. Can you arrest them? And अच्छा. तो जो आप लोग की आप ਹੁਣ ਬਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਾਪਸ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਫਿਰ ਜਮਦੂਤ ਆਉਂਦੇ angels come and people suffer Guruji doesn't want us to suffer Guruji wants us to be Harjas Kaur ne likhya some people who take drugs do it out of depression and then outside act like they are do it for fun very good point Harjas Kaur very nice you note kariyo many people who sharab pinde they drink alcohol they take drugs very nice but I'm really happy with that point which is a very important point thank you Harjas Kaur that people think that oh yeah they look happy they're doing it because they're enjoying this actually they're dukhi they're crying inside they're calling out for help I work in prisons and a lot of the prisoners who started to smoke they take drugs they did it as a cry out for help they're basically doing it because they're suffering in life and they want to forget their problems and they're basically really upset and other people might think oh they're really cool so if you just look at these pictures you can see antar bik bahar nibarati tajam kare khwari in practical sense so you can see the first picture drinking sharab or having nashe what does it do classes start ne Harjas and Manroop Kaur ji, the class is about to finish now. 1 hour early ho gaya si. हाँ जी तो पता नहीं होना सी माफ करना हाँ जी ये पहला हो गया सी some take drugs only for status symbol and they become addicted and finished badly very good so we're just gonna अपना time हो गया so we're just gonna end with this and then if anybody got last question I think some people just joined us just now they didn't realize the time a time change hoya si because of the Melbourne ਵਿੱਚ their clocks have changed so it changed
Daylight saving.
so drinking sharab leads to humiliation embarrassment ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੌਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਟਾਇਲਟ ਦੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਗੰਦੀ ਟਾਇਲਟ ਸੀਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਜਰਮਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਕਹੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ their face is inside the toilet their face is actually inside the toilet this embarrassment this humiliation is led by nashe by intoxicants ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਆ and any place whether it's your Masi's son's wedding whether it's your chache tai's family's wedding whether it's a cousin brother anybody where this poison is being given out a Sikh should not be there a Sikh does not promote poison a Sikh does not wish to give anybody poison And if there is poison somewhere, he would try to help somebody to give up poison. Hanji, every week 8:30 in UK. Har just for Manrood course, 8:30 to 9:30 UK time. And second picture, anybody else? We're going to just wrap up now. Second picture is
Mouth cancer.
Tobacco.
Tobacco mouth cancer. Jere bande cool samajhde se aa dekho, this is what it leads. But then why doesn't the government ban these things? Why does government ban alcohol? Why does not ban? And one thing is, school was the first drug that people at school, in your schools, will be taking. Anybody know?
Panadol.
I mean, non-medicinal one, but non-medicinal. Cigarettes, Sargonjot Panji, thank you. Cigarettes. Note karyo, in every school, when I went to school and in your school, you see kids smoking. That this is the first drug. And from there, they build up. From drugs, then they go to smoking weed. From weed, they go to other things, okay? And this is what is going to lead to mouth cancer, your lungs, your yellow teeth, and so on. Kids go to bathroom and then alarms go off. Waheguru Harjaspur saying that in school, in the toilets, people smoke and the alarms go off. The last one is, you can see people taking drugs that leads to death. And it's not nice. I've seen people in prison looking like skeletons. They look like zombies. And their memory goes and they get mentally disturbed. So we want to say Karta Purk, Vaiguruji, you made us, and we want to celebrate you creating us, not destroying what you've created us. Any quick questions? Jitinder ji has asked, where can we watch the recording of this session? Hanji Pai Jasprit Singh ji, if you can answer that question, please.
Hanji Virji, we already have a YouTube channel where I'm already uploading the videos. Utthe ek video upload karti hai ji, and rest of the videos I'll upload tonight. So we have around 3 videos until now, 3 or 4.
What our channel, so if you put in the chat box.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਚੈਨਲ ਦਾ ਲਿੰਕ ਪਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਸੋ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ ਜਸਟ ਫਰਮ part of the Mool Mantra we've gone through ਕਿੰਨੇ deep message ਇਹ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ so very quickly before just saying Fateh, does anybody have any questions anybody in the chat box? If you do, if you quickly type in the chat box whilst you're thinking or I've got any questions or any points to make, I would like to say, so from next week, what I would like to do is Nirpal without fear. I thought a homework here. I hope that you can please do it, otherwise it's just me talking. So Nirpal without fear, Nirvair without hatred, and then Akal Murat, timeless existence, Ajuni, beyond cycle of life, Sebang, self-manifest, meaning Waheguru shows himself, yeah, he reveals himself, and Gur Prasad, known for the Guru's grace. I would like you to, what we've done today, and try to go through how we can learn from Mool Mantra, how we can learn for teachings for us and society. I would like you to do that with the rest, which you see there, and we're then going to see answers, who can come up with the nicest answer, yeah? So what we can learn from these things, yeah? It's written there on the side. So based on that, I would like you to, all that be homework, to think about that, please. Yeah, and we'll share the thoughts next week. We'll start with that. So, so I'm assuming there's no questions, but no one's written any. So, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.